So at the moment it's a brand new HDMI cable. It's ARC compatible, plugged into the old Panasonic HDMI port, which is ARC compatible too, and I've set the surround sound to ARC, and the TV, I've got these settings. It doesn't actually matter what I have set, whether I have eARC off or on, auto or PCM here, doesn't matter really. It really doesn't make any difference what settings are. I'll try pass through as another one, but if it's set to receiver like that on HDMI, it then just changes to TV speaker. You see that it's just changed to TV speaker after a few seconds. If I was to say go off here, and try again, it's set to receiver there, but if you wait,